So I just went to Brunswick Zone XL, and from my points I got the Pokemon XY Evolutions booster pack. So let's open it. Wait a sec, let me open it. Okay guys, so I took it out. Let me do the card trick. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay guys, I did the card trick. Let's start. So first we have, okay, wait a sec. We have, wait, focus, Voltorb, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Diglett, Seal, Metapod, Charizard Spirit Link, Double Colorless Energy, Seal Reverse Hollow, and an Arcanine. So not that great pulls. Okay guys, that was it for my thing. Bye.